Hey guys, welcome back to the show. I'm your buddy, Matt Hussey. It's good to have you. Hey, today I've got Jess from Meatless Mondays with us today. We're not going to go vegetarian, but we do have a nice salad on store. So today's going to be Greek pita smash burgers right over there on that Blackstone Griddle. It's going to be some good groceries.
I'll take the salad. I'll handle the salad.
Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, guys, to get started, I want to have Jess help us with our salad.
I can do that.
And we're going to cut up some, these are just baby cucumbers. Love these baby cucumbers.
They're great.
They're so cute. We said that earlier.
Like me.
Yeah, absolutely. So we got Roma tomatoes and some red onions. Now, Jess, we've got to put some flavor on this.
Okay.
You like flavor?
I love flavor. What you
I
got?
like flavor. We got to do a little marinade, a little dressing. We're going to make a little house dressing.
All right.
So if you don't mind, get a little lemon.
I can do that.
While you're doing that, I am going to season up our beef. So the Smashburger element to this is some 80-20 ground beef. And we're going to give this a shawarma kind of flavor. Yeah, like, I was going to say.
No, I mean, I can't say I've had it.
I guess you could shawarma some beans, right?
A mushroom. We could shawarma a mushroom.
I think you could do black beans shawarma, okay?
Make that for me next time.
80-20 ground chuck, Andy. Want to add a little bit of cumin, okay? Jess?
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to need some of that salt and pepper that you got over there.
I can handle that for you.
You put some salt and pepper on yours yet?
I'm getting there.
All right, go ahead, put some on there.
Rushing me a little bit.
You Russian? Or what? You American? You don't know? Okay.
You're quick draws, man. You're quick.
Garlic paste to this and a little bit of oregano, or as my mama used to say, oregano. All right, it's good flavor. I'm gonna, your oregano right there.
You need some over here too?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
All right.
Please and thank you.
Heavy on the oregano.
I need salt and pepper. You hit it from me, Jess.
I'm sorry.
So get you some. Oh, thank you. She served it to me on a platter.
You like how I do that?
I do. It's awesome.
Salt.
Salt. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Does that look like enough for you?
Yep. Let's mix that up, and we might have to give it a little try-y. Okay. That's why you know you got it. You put lemon in there. I think you got all the elements.
Yeah, it looks good.
So we got our ground chuck here. We have our cumin. Get on in here, Andy. Get on in here.
Cumin or cumin?
I say cumin. What do
Cumin.
y'all say?
Because we're both from the South. I say cumin.
You say cumin? Well,
Cumin.
you're from not.
I'm a little more southern.
You're
than
South
you are.
Carolina, which ain't really Carolina at all, to be honest with you.
Let's not go there today.
So we're just mixing this. You don't want to get at it like it owes you money or anything, but you want to kind of go, you know, somewhat at a brisk motion. You want to eyeball this. What's that look like, Jess?
It looks delicious.
Listen, the thing is, ideally you want this to kind of hang out for a little bit. I mean, 30 minutes would be great. We're not going to have that, but it's still going to be great.
They don't have to know that.
They don't have to know that, but optimal, you want it in your fridge for a little bit. All right. She's got the salad, and I am going to work on our smash burger balls. This is a little bit different. We're going to smash a pita bread, not a sandwich roll or anything like that. A pita roll. So we're going to make these a little bit larger because we're going to actually smash these balls with the pita. Okay. Well, I thought I was going to get 3 out of this. We're going to get more. All right, once you got your burger balls formed, let's head on over to the griddle and get that smash on. I'm just gonna lay each burger ball onto the griddle, right onto a nice hot spot. Take your pita bread, lay right over top of that ball and smash it like it owes you some money. You're gonna let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is a little bit larger, so it's not quite like a smash burger. Flip those over into that nice tallow that's been rendered. It only takes about a minute or so on that other side, and these are looking beautiful. Whoa, friends, good night in the morning. Dang it, boy. Look how that pita just kind of crusty. Kind of like my old neighbor growing up, you know? Dang, boy. That's some good looking groceries right there. Now, we need to top our pita smash burgers with a little bit of our salad. A little bit of our salad right here. A little bit of our salad. It's got that nice lemon. It's got some oregano. Beautiful, okay? Just come on in there, just like that. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared, Andy.
I'm not scared.
What about that tzatziki sauce, son?
Love it.
Love that tzatziki.
Man, bring it on.
Give me extra tzatziki.
Absolutely.
Oh, wait a minute. A little bit of feta.
A little star of the show right here.
Feta. Just come in just like that. Oh, this I sprung a little bit, Andy.
Yeah?
I went with the little garlic and herb on this feta. It's just not your regular feta. It's a little garlic and herb. That, my friends, pita smash burgers. Dang it, boys. Guys, it is time to try these groceries. I've waited long enough. And Andy,
Man, I'd love to try those groceries.
would you really?
I would.
I would love for.
Let me find someone to hold this. CJ, come take this camera from me.
Hey,
Allow me.
come on in here.
You gonna split that one up for me?
I am.
All right.
Because I want you to have this nice cross section. I just want to say I appreciate you, dog.
Man, this is the best.
This guy right here, he's my man.
Well,
Cheers.
on-set bromance going on.
Don't
with
get
some,
jelly, because
some
I know you are.
Some delicious food.
Like on, boy.
Mm.
Crunch.
Mm.
It's light from the salad, beefy.
Mm.
You know beefy, right?
This is great.
Dang it, boys. Hey,
Yeah,
gotta give this a try, dog.
absolutely.
Love it. Y'all, give these a try. I guarantee you'll probably like them better than Andy and I.
Maybe. I don't know. I'm pretty good.
I love it. Hey, I appreciate you. Appreciate you guys watching. Hey, I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where we see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey.
I'm Andy.
That's some good groceries.